Why is Parkway West westbound closed near Robinson Town Center today? The closure has caught many drivers off guard, but the real reason might surprise you. Stay tuned to discover what's causing this unexpected disruption. The westbound lanes of Parkway West near Robinson Town Center are closed today primarily because of urgent road maintenance work. City crews spotted significant pavement damage that could pose safety risks to drivers if left unaddressed. This type of closure is necessary to prevent accidents and ensure smooth traffic flow once repairs are complete. While inconvenient, the work is vital to maintain road quality and safety standards for everyone using this busy corridor. Because the westbound lanes are closed, traffic is being rerouted onto nearby streets, leading to increased congestion around Robinson Town Center. Commuters should expect delays and consider alternate routes to avoid getting stuck in backups. Local traffic authorities have positioned signage and personnel to guide drivers safely through detours. If you have to travel this way, planning ahead can save you time and frustration. Officials estimate the westbound closure near Robinson Town Center will remain in effect for the entire day as crews complete repairs. However, timelines can shift depending on weather and progress. To stay informed, check city traffic websites and social media for real-time updates. This way, you can adjust your route or timing if needed. Keeping up with these updates helps minimize inconvenience during closures like this. So the westbound closure on Parkway West near Robinson Town Center today is all about urgent road repairs to keep you safe. While it causes delays, this maintenance prevents bigger problems down the road. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay informed about your local area.